When you're driving behind someone and you know immediately that you fucking hate them. Greetings, my friends. How are you? It has been an eventful week. It is Tuesday. Well, don't you know it is lunchtime again, and here I sit in my vehicle. I am going to devour my lunch this afternoon. You might be wondering, well, shit howdy, what the fuck's she eating? A sandwich from Gene's Grinders. This little sandwich shop is really a fan favorite, I have heard. Gene's Grinders. Let me unwrap this delicate meat. Looking at this sandwich, it does look very basic. I love basic sometimes. We got some turkey and some tomato and a little... Let's give it a try! They're good. Well, I'm on the last bite of this half of sandwich that I done began eating, and I like it. I'm not gonna lie. I will give this sandwich establishment an 8 out of 9. Wait, 8.9 out of 10.